In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make money with Canva AI. So start by opening up Canva. Then next in the left panel, go to Canva AI. And here you can use its AI tools to create products like planners, social media templates, ebooks, or printables. So here you can type a prompt like create a minimalist daily planner or design Instagram templates for small businesses, then press the submit button. Then Canva AI will generate ready to use designs for you. Once done, you can use the created design and customize it where you can add your own branding, colors, and unique style to stand out. And once done, export your designs as PDFs or templates. Then next is sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. Just a pro tip that make sure to focus on your niche like fitness planners or business templates to attract the right audience. Also, don't forget to promote your products on social media to drive sales. And that's how you can turn Canva AI into a simple digital product business. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!